Y'all, she done had me listen to this song for 30 minutes. 30 torture. No, I'm just with. And at the end, she gonna say, "This ain't it."
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and miss.
Okay, you guys, so this is what I had for breakfast. I had avocado toast. I put everything but the baby seasoning on it, and I put a slice of prosciutto on top, or prosciutto, however you say it. And I had oranges and bananas with it. And I also had like a good for your gut juice drink, probiotic drink. And yeah, okay.
Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap.
Y'all, she done had me listen to this song for 30 minutes. 30 torture. No, I'm just with. And at the end, she gonna say, "This ain't it." I'ma need I don't know how you gonna do it, but I'ma need my 20 minutes back, my 30 minutes back.
Jesus. Okay.
Y'all, don't have no kids, don't have no little sisters, don't have no older sisters, don't have no dogs, none of that. Take her back. No, I'm just get a refund, y'all. Get a refund. I know they want one on me, but it's cool. Cause you ain't getting one. No return, no returns.
She mad. She look, she talking about no older sister. I done took her way back for none. I'm sorry, because we was just listening.
I know, vibe. I'll tell you, she cut on this old school 20-minute song. Got people looking at me like us like this. Hi, why them young girls listen to that? Y'all, I went from 16 to 60 real quick with that song. And I'm like, I'm trying to get hyped for the gym. I got my coffee, and then she playing. 30 minutes later, this ain't it.
That song still a bad to me.
I needed that because we finna go. We ain't got nothing to punch in the gym, but I'm finna take that frustration out in the gym. I need that.
Is that deep?
Yes, that's that deep. No.
She's so
when
silly.
I was crunk, y'all, like, y'all don't understand.
We get back crunk. No.
That's my love. I'm gonna do me like a spin cycle class song. Play that, get hype. Dance class is giving what it needs to give. Yeah. That's my everyday gym song. It don't wear out for sure. Cause it's Krishan my girl too, so she getting what it needs to give.
I know, sing to the video.
Ain't chasing behind these limbs, cause ain't that thirsty. He keep wifing thoughts and wondering why it ain't working.
Okay, you guys, on here I was on a solo date, and yes, I go on solo dates by choice. Right now as we speak, I will not lie to you, God is my witness, somebody is trying to get me to go on a date with them right now via text. But anyway, I just choose to be single right now because of everything I have going on. But yeah, this is what I got. And then we have a maternity pregnant outfit of the day. Yes, honey, yes. So excuse me, I feel like the outfit was giving what it needed to give, but apparently I don't think others was thinking that. But the purse definitely was giving what it was supposed to give, because I got like so many compliments on it. But I felt good, I felt confident because I liked it, the outfit, and that's all that matter. I don't care if no one liked it, I don't care if everyone hated it. I liked it, so I did me. Yes, period. Okay, you all, let me just add this in. The reason why I continue to go to the gym while pregnant, well, one of the reasons is because I like to keep my butt high. My butt tends to drop during pregnancy, and I don't want that. I would like to keep it high and, like not saggy or anything like that. So, yeah, that's a big reason why I'm in the gym at 6 months pregnant. Okay, you guys, that is about it. Rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.